Autodesk Smoke brings powerful visual effects and finishing tools to a familiar timeline workflow. If you know how to edit, it's easy to move into professional-level finishing with Smoke. Smoke's intuitive UI was custom designed to enable a fast and fluid editorial finishing experience. It features the same professional editing tools you already know how to use, regardless of what resolution or format you're working in. Smoke's desktop is a free-form creative space called the source area. Here you can store and organize clips as you plan your edit. If you want to see the specific metadata for any clip, simply hold Alt and click on it. You'll see everything from the source timecode to the original camera reel. If you want a more traditional bin layout, simply expand the Edit Desk library, and you'll have access to the full information for each clip. Once you're ready to start editing, you can use Smoke's storyboard view to intuitively drag and drop clips and build your sequence. Or you can switch to a more traditional timeline view and select a familiar source record window setup. You can even combine this with the expanded Edit Desk view, and you've got everything you need to quickly complete your timeline. Once you've marked in and out points, Smoke's basic editorial functions, like overwrite, insert, fit to fill, or 3-point edits, are available on screen or as hotkeys, so you can quickly build your timeline. You can even combine this traditional source record timeline workflow with Smoke's intuitive drag and drop system to visually add clips right from the source area. Trimming is an important part of any editorial process, and Smoke lets you trim and adjust visually on screen. Every segment contains the full metadata, including source timecode, head and tail frames, and source reel. So you'll always know where your material came from and how much you have to work with. For precise monitoring while trimming, switch to Smoke's dedicated trim view. Here you'll see the first and last frame of each side of your edit. You can use trim to change the position of a cut, trim with ripple to adjust the entire timeline, or use slip and slide options on one or more segments. Smoke's hotkey workflow is completely customizable, so if you're coming to Smoke from another editing system, simply map Smoke's hotkeys to however you like to work. Smoke even ships with a ready-to-use hotkey template for Final Cut Pro users. Regardless of how you like to edit, you'll feel right at home with Smoke's powerful and intuitive editing interface that lets you work fast as you finish your projects even faster.